Is a mess. What happened was the water heater, you can see the water heater over there, has started leaking, so it started draining all the water right here in the garage. So we have the carpet up so that it can try to dry. So we have this pipe right here where the water can drain in that, and it goes all the way out to the grass. And we got a messed up and wet up garage. We're trying to get the water to where it drain. So once we get it all drained and everything, then we'll put the carpet back down. There you go. For right now, either that or we have to get the water heater replaced. And that can cost a grip. We just got the air conditioner replaced. Thank God it only cost $150. However, this, well, that's another story for another time. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace. And God bless y'all.